So here we're looking at the new Hobbywing Platinum 4120 520 kV motor. This is perfect for your 60-inch aerobatic models from Extreme Flight, Skywing. We'll be running around a 15-inch prop up to 17-inch props. Sweet spot around 16.7, 16.8 Falcon wood prop or a 16.8 carbon prop. So here we have the motor itself in a lovely magnetic case. So here is the motor. So we come with, once again, all the accessory pack. We've got the mounting bracket and prop driver all there for you. Here we have the electric motor. And this will be running on a Hobbywing 120 amp ESC. Like I said, this is perfect for power and weight for your 60-inch models. For the best power to weight ratio for your 60-inch model, we would recommend a 6-cell setup for in between 3000 milliamps and 4200 milliamps. Us personally, we highly recommend the Zeee Power, which will be a 100 C rated pack at a very affordable cost. The link for that is in the description below. So these line of Hobbywing electric motors are live on our website. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our social medias. Thank you.